The Eastar AS-Ⅱ Alto Saxophone kit is a fantastic choice for beginners and intermediate players, offering a user-friendly design that facilitates easy play and quick response. This saxophone delivers exceptional sound quality with a smooth transition across low, medium, and high tones, making it suitable for various music genres including jazz and classical. Crafted with advanced copper and a shiny, colorfast golden lacquer, the Eastar AS-Ⅱ saxophone is both visually appealing and durable, featuring a laser-engraved logo and handcrafted engraving. High-quality leather pads ensure excellent air tightness, and the included saxophone stand adds to the overall durability and convenience of this instrument. The comprehensive package includes a carrying case, neck strap, shoulder straps, white gloves, reeds, a cleaning kit, and a stand, providing everything needed for a complete playing experience. With a 12-month product warranty and exceptional customer support, the Eastar AS-Ⅱ Alto Saxophone Kit is a reliable and valuable investment for any aspiring saxophonist.